superstars?
So first of all, I'm very elated to be a part of something like this because this being my very first cricketing experience and with such great players from India, from across the world, and nothing beats that feeling, doing a daily soap, going to the same set, doing nothing creative, and here I am. Standing, rubbing shoulders with all these people, so nothing makes me more happy, and I would like to just conclude that this is going to be my best experience ever, and with the trophy in my hand. Thank you.
You got the bat in hand. क्या करें?
No, I really enjoyed the game, and I'm sure that it was difficult for me to hit sixes and fours in this game. So, but I don't think so. It's difficult for the fans because the moment they practice for this game, so they'll get used to and they'll hit sixes. Even that, I'm able to score maybe 1 or 2 runs, and Lakshman beat me easily in this game. So you can imagine that if you practice hard, so you can score runs in this game. So and it's good. It's look like that the moment you wear the glasses on your eyes, you can see that you're playing in Lords or maybe in MCG or in Wankhede or wherever. Means whatever you click on that, so you can have a feel of the cricket ground with spectators and commentators, everything. So it's nice.
लेकिन विरूपा जी प्रैक्टिस में तो इन्होंने हरा दिया, बट असली मैच अभी बाकी है.
मैं तो बाहर हो गया ना एक मैच में ही.
नहीं बिल्कुल, अभी तो मैच तो शुरुआत नहीं हुई है.
मतलब पहले ही कॉन्फिडेंस गिरा दिया लक्ष्मण.
अभी कुछ नहीं. That's just what happened. That's the beauty of it. They've all been in nets practicing very hard, and you never know what can happen in nets and what happens in the real match, just like real cricket. Come on, I need to ask, you've got Trivikram, do you have a mic? I need to ask you as well before the next question comes. I mean, how did you even come up with this concept of transporting every Indian or every person around the world into another dimension?
So we had this passion to work on these advanced technologies. So IB Cricket is built on top of some cutting edge advanced technologies. So the idea was of Vasant. He's the founder of IB Cricket. And we have been working in this for quite some time. And we are both very passionate about cricket as well, and I've been a fan of all of you. And then, so we had this dream of we worked with a passion to realize the dreams of all cricket fans. So at some point of time, every fan dreamt of playing in front of the crowd in a world-class stadium. So with IB Cricket, we want to make it come true for all. And since we have been working in advanced technologies, so the combination, we got it, and then we have been working and we made it possible. And I'm very, very happy, and all of our team is very happy that all the stars are enjoying the game a lot. And it stands as a testimony for that the product is very immersive and everybody's gonna like it. And we are very happy to work, and we are very excited to work with the View team as well. And yeah, the league is going to be very exciting.
Yes, there we go.
Question to
Question?
Dilshan. You were known, in your playing days, you were known for the Dil scoop. Will you be trying this shot in this game? And will you teach the shot to the likes of VVS and Viru?
Yeah, I think I practiced couple of times. All 3-4 times I'm got out for playing Deal Scoop this game, but I had to practice hard. It's not easy, which Viru mentioned earlier, it's not easy straight away go to the practice net hitting the ball. We have to practice hard. I think I'm really enjoying yesterday's training. If you have time, I'll definitely teach how to play Deal Scoop with this. First, I had to learn how to play Deal Scoop with this format. Thank you.
All right.
All right, two more.
Alright,
There we go.
कैफ भाई, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. सवाल ये है कि जब ब्रेंडन मैकलम और मोहम्मद कैफ साथ में होते हैं तो एक वो फील्डर का जो ये है वो ध्यान में आता है कि एक बेस्ट फील्डर है क्रिकेट में. तो इस गेम में हम बल्लेबाजी और गेंदबाजी का तो मज़ा लुफ्त उठा सकते हैं. वी कैन एन्जॉय बैटिंग एंड बॉलिंग एज वेल, बट my question to you, Kaif and Brendan, if you could answer that, do you find any scope of fielding out here when we have such kind of game in IB cricket?
फील्डिंग का बहुत रोल है. कल प्रैक्टिस की तो शॉट्स जितने लगे फील्डर्स के पास पहुंच गए, तो बाउंड्री लगी नहीं. फील्डर्स का इसमें ज़्यादा रोल है. आजकल T20 वनडे का ज़माना है, वहाँ तो छक्के चौके लगते हैं. यहाँ बड़ा मुश्किल है. मैं कल प्रैक्टिस करी तो शॉट लगे नहीं.
आपको मिला मौका कैच पकड़ने का स्लिप में या पॉइंट
इसमें नहीं. इसमें फील्डिंग सेट कर सकते हैं आप फील्डिंग लगा सकते हैं. तो होता ना, शतरंज के खिलाड़ी आप पीछे से ऑपरेट करिए, फील्डर तो नहीं बन सकते, और बैटिंग बॉलिंग करें और फील्ड लगा सकते हैं. तो वो इसका एक बेनिफिट है, और जो फैंस हैं उनको मज़ा आएगा. हमने कल ट्राई किया, बहुत मज़ा आया. थोड़ा शुरू में टाइम लगा, 2-3 बॉल लगी समझने में, बट बाद में यू गेट यूज्ड टू इट एंड इट्स ग्रेट फन. और फील्डिंग के बारे में बैज इज हियर टू.
आई थिंक हम लोगों ने इतना पैसा कमा लिया, अब फील्डिंग बुढ़ापे में हम क्यों करें? बंदे रख लेंगे फील्डिंग करने के लिए.
और ज़्यादा प्लेयर्स यहाँ रिटायर्ड हैं, तो क्यों इतनी आप ताकत करना, मतलब मेहनत करना चाह रहे हैं हमारे से. बच्चे जो पृथ्वी शॉ हैं और शुभम गिल है इसमें, तो उन्होंने उनको ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी मेरे ख्याल से. And Baz now, talk about the fielding. No, fielding. He wants to know about the fielding. About in this game, what do you think about the fielders? Do you think your role as a player in this game, just batting and bowling? What about fielding? He's saying.
Well, at the moment, the fielders in the training, they just keep catching me out. So hopefully it comes down to actually you've got to simulate it as well in time, and I'm sure that's what these guys at IB Cricket are going to develop, a product which continues to grow and continues to become more and more like the real game. So at the moment, it's been great fun. We've had a really cool experience. It's also great to spend some time with these legends of the game as well, and to be able to bring you guys such an amazing product. Hopefully you'll all enjoy it.
Well, it's a good question, I can tell you that. Yes, it's a very good question, but there's a lot of strategy, a lot of dimag that goes into fielding, because the the fielding captain or the bowling captain needs to set the right field, and those fielders are around to take those catches, I can tell you. They're all Kefs and McCullums, with no disrespect to the rest of you. Okay, let me just quickly pick up on that. Since I didn't mention it at the start, quickly let me explain the format of the league. You can see there's 4 teams out here: blue, yellow, orange, and black. All 4 of them will play a round-robin format. It's 1 over each. So single player comes up. So it could be Virendra Sehwag taking on Brendan McCullum in a game. And the next game, when Blue Blasters play, it could be Kef taking on Andre Russell in the Orange Chargers. You play 1 over each. And there's a round-robin format. At the end of the round-robin format, 1 team will be eliminated. 3 teams are left. They have a 3-match playoff to see who goes to the final. And the team who topped that original round-robin will be directly in the final, waiting for a 3-match final where the total number of runs will see the victory. So that's going to be spread over 12 matches to crown the champion.
Question to VVS. After your stints, we all know your stints with commentary and your mentor role in the Sunrisers Hyderabad. How is it now you are back to the playing field? How are you looking at this particular league?
Well, to start off with, when I was playing, I never ever tried Dill Scoop. But in this virtual cricket, I can definitely try Dill Scoop. I can play the reverse lap shot. I can hit the ball out of the ground, which I never did in my playing career. So I think the important factor here is not for the players. Yeah, we all enjoyed during the training session, but it's for the lovers of the game, because I always mention that the biggest stakeholders have been the fans. So what they have tried to do is make sure that the fans have an opportunity to experience reality, what it feels like playing in front of packed houses, what it feels, when there is floodlit ground, how it feels for them out there in the middle. So I think it's been a fantastic experience for me. While it's a virtual medium, but I can say that it's very, very close to being real. So I think it's been excellent experience, and I'm sure all the fans will enjoy it. One thing which we all experience over the last day and a half is it's not going to be easy early on. Once you get used to it, there are various levels. It starts from 1, it goes on till 40 or 50. So once you get used to it, you can enjoy playing your favorite shot, you can enjoy playing the favorite shots of your role models, and that's something which is very exciting for the lovers of the game and for the fans.
Can we have one final question? One final question.
My question is to Viru Paji. You've been associated with View earlier as well, with respect to What the Duck and Viru Ke Fande. How special this association will be?
I think those were the chat shows, and this is the game of cricket, which I'm good at it.